Two people did the same problem, but they got different answers, so who's right? Well, it just depends on who followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside of grouping symbols first, then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. So let's look at their work. 10 minus 40 divided by 2 plus 10. If this person started with the 100 minus 40, they would get 60 divided by 2 plus 10. Then do the 60 divided by 2. You get 30 plus 10, and that gets you the 40. Now over here, 40 divided by 2 is their first step, and so that would be 100 minus 20. 40 divided by 2 is 20, plus 10. Then 100 minus 20, that would get you the 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. So who's right? Let's take a look at that first line. This person started with subtraction, and this person started with the division in the middle of the problem. This feels weird, but it is accurate. So this one is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 90. If you got that one, try this one.